Hello, my beautiful souls. Hi, welcome to my meditation channel, and also I'm your intuitive card reader. Today, we are going to do the angel answers. Let's get the messages from our angels, what they want to say for our next 48 hours. I have two decks for our reading, that is the Angel Answer Oracle deck, and also a new deck which shows the different archangels with the different kind of gemstones which would help you to connect with that higher vibration and to bring that positivity in your life. So first of all, before starting our today's reading with our Angel Answer Oracle deck and our gemstone archangels, let's first of all call our holy angels, our spirit guides, our guardian angels, our archangels to help us to find out today's angel answer. What is today's message? Let's first of all shuffle the deck. Remember, it is a collective reading, so you have to just intuitively connect with the cards and try to find the answer to the questions. First of all, keep a question in your mind, whatever you find as a question to be in your life. If you are finding the answer, you're not able to get the answer, you're struggling with the answer, well, I'm shuffling the deck, think that question in your mind, and intuitively you will come out with the answer. So let's be prepared with your answer. It's a collective reading. Let's see what is the answer to your question. Yes. So if exactly as it is talking about a year from now, means it may be a question in your mind about the timings, like what would happen and when would it happen. So the timing is a year from now. That is the first card for the viewers who have tried to find out the answer for their timings. So a year from now, let's see with the next card what is the next message for the viewers who have the other question in their mind. This is for the timings a year from now. Let's see. Oh, so if you are worried, if you think like how it would happen, or if you have any doubts, the angels are saying don't worry, I'm with you, you're protected, and no need to worry. This is the message from your angels. No need to worry. Your work would be done on the time given, that is a year from now. So, no need to worry. Yes, the angels are there for you. Yes, the angels are there for you. No need to worry. A year from now, and no need to worry. Let's go with the next card. What is the next message for my viewers? Yes, take action. See, if you want the result, yes, if you want to find yourself successful, angels are saying that you have to take actions. Start doing your task. Don't sit, don't do overthinking. Okay, start doing your work. Take the actions. It is the time to take action so you would get the dreams achieved within the given time, and no need to worry at all. Don't think, don't overthink, just start doing your work. Take action. It is the time to take actions. And let's see, you can see the beautiful picture of a unicorn and with beautiful wings, and it is an enlightened path. See, even over here you can see here, no need to worry. See how beautiful picture it is. It is showing the angels with the seven colors. It is showing the rainbow, how enlightened you are. No need to worry. And it is showing the flame, the divine light. So your path is enlightened. You can directly start your work. No need to worry. All the roads and all the paths are divinely guided for you. You are protected, and you have to just take the action. So my viewers, I think so you have almost got the answer for your question. And Let's see what is the next and the last message from our angels. Yes, see how beautiful it has been there. Yes, yes, it is there. See how it moves, how it moves. See the first card, the timing, you, that is a year from now. So you would get and achieve your dreams, your goals within a year from now, and you have to take the actions without worriness. Don't overthink. Start taking action and just see how successful you would be. Yes, so your angels are with you. Don't think a lot. Stop overthinking, my dear viewers. Yes, my soul family, don't overthink, don't have any kind of self doubt. Yes, so if you find yourself stuck somewhere, don't worry at all. Your angels are with you, they are fully guiding you, they are protecting you. You can see in this picture, see how you are being protected. You are, the earth is being protected. You are on this earth living with this guided angels. Your guardian angels are with you. You can see the guardian angels are with you. They are protecting you, they are guiding you, and they are telling you that you would achieve your dreams, your goals within a year from now. So don't worry. See, and when it is with the success, see, the whole path is being guided with the white light energy. You have to just start taking action. Just start taking action and see how wonderful you would feel and you would achieve your dreams, your goals. Yes. Now let's take the archangels and with the gemstones, which would help you to guide, which would help you to tell you with the affirmations, as the archangels would help you a lot to connect with the higher vibration, with the angelic realms, and try to come out with any kind of doubts if you have, and just take the actions. So how these would help you, the gemstones, the crystals would help you to connect with that higher vibration. So let's see what gemstone and archangel is there for you, my soul family, my viewers. Let's see what's there for you. Yes, I got it. Yes, that is Archangel Gabriel. Yes, and this is the gemstone, that is solicite. Are you trying to process a lot of information? See how synchronized are the messages. Are you overthinking? Are you thinking like, would you able to achieve? Are you just having a self doubt? See how the cards are connecting with each other, how it is being there. No need to worry and take action. This is really asking in this question. I'll read aloud. Are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write it in your journal. See, this is the information, this is the guidance given by your Archangel Gabriel, and by using this gemstone. So, just see, having the gemstone would not be the part, but just repeat this gemstone, have that affirmation, think about it, vision about it, have a visual about it, that you have a solicite in your life, and you are taking that higher vibration from that gemstone. Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. See, if you're not taking the action, then this card, this affirmation is making you to remember to keep a practice of writing a journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams, record your thoughts and memories upon waking. So early morning, or whenever you wake up from your bed, always keep a record of your thoughts and memories, whatever you have seen in your dreams. It can be even your lucid dreams, right? Or it can be when the time, if you're meditating, you can, if you have seen or if you have visualized something, if you have felt something during that meditative state, record that thoughts, memories, and find peace as your process each nugget of information, sorry, awareness and spiritual growth. See, now this is helping you to be worryless. Don't take any worries. Stop overthinking. Take action. Start writing a journal. Record your memories, right? And your thoughts, whatever you visualize during your dreams or during your meditation period, try to record it and find the peace as you process each nugget of information that brings awareness and spiritual growth. Yes, so this is the gemstone solicite, and this is the message from the Archangel Gabriel. So, meditation is a normal part of my day. See? Yes, as I told, in the meditative state, see how synchronizing it is, how the messages are connecting to each other. The angels are here with you in this reading. The energy has been given to us from the angelic realm to connect with our angels to get the correct message. So this is the affirmation what you have to repeat. I'll read aloud for you. Meditation is a normal part of my day. My crown, third eye, and throat chakras are balanced and aligned. My intuition is intact. I consciously request and accept the help of angels. My life flows easily with grace. Yes, you can read it once again. What a beautiful affirmation is for the Archangel Gabriel. You should call in Archangel Gabriel, invoke Archangel Gabriel, say this affirmation. You can also take a screenshot of this, and whenever you do your prayers, whenever you gratitude, whenever you give your affirmation, call on Archangel Gabriel, which would help you to connect with your actions, with your dreams, and would help you to move on to your meditation. It can be also for a message for the viewers who may be thinking to start meditation, or they would be doing meditation. Keep on doing meditation. During that meditation, call on Archangel Gabriel, say this affirmation, and see the magic, and you would achieve what is your goals. So this is the angel message for my soul family, and if you find it perfect for you, please give your comments, and I would always answer those comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There would be others, your dear and near ones, who would be needing this message. So don't forget to share this video, this message, to those who need the angel guidance. So here, this is my angel message for today, for the next 48 hours. Don't forget to start your meditation. Don't worry at all. Start taking action and see your life would be successful from a year from now. And don't forget to call on the Archangel Gabriel, which is always with you, would guide you, protect you, shield you, and help you to bring the prosperous life what you visualize. So this is the best way to start your day. And also, whenever you feel demotivated, just go through this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video, and be connected with my channel for the other angel answers and messages in on my channel. Till then, bye.